Good afternoon all. Welcome to this video which will tell you that how you can give your internals which are going to start from tomorrow. So very best of luck to all of you to give your internal examinations, the first internal examination of yours. See how you are going to perform. The platform which is used to give your examination is Google Classroom. You are using your Google Classroom even to join the classroom using a Google Meet. Similarly, the assignment, the internal, would be posted in the Google Classroom and it will be visible to you on the time of the test, which is already shared with you. So what you have to do is, suppose you have joined different classes like chemistry, physics, programming in C, you will go to the classroom of yours, which is of which paper you have to give on the prescribed time. For example, like on 29th at 11 a.m., programming in C exam has to start. So we will go at 5 minutes before, as you go into your physical classroom, 5 minutes before enter into the programming in C classroom. Okay, and exactly at 11 o'clock you will see the assignment for programming in C. For example, I have made a test class and I have joined as a student of this test class, and this assignment that is of sessional is visible to me. So what you have to do is you have to click on this sessional, and when you will click on this sessional, you will see the questions which have been given to you by the teacher. There can be different number of questions with different type of pattern, like you have to attempt any 2, attempt any 3, whatever pattern your teacher has chosen. So we are not discussing about the pattern over here. Just see, read the questions. After reading the questions, what you have to do is take a copy page or a blank A4 page, write your name, roll number, the name of the subject of whose sessional you are giving, and start attempting your exam as you are doing in an offline mode on a piece of paper. Okay, take a page of yourself and write down the answers on that sheet. Suppose you have written in 2 sheets or 3 sheets, immaterial of the number of sheets, just write your name and roll number and the subject on every paper you are using, and very correctly mention the answer number. For example, you are answering for answer number question number 1, then write answer 1, write answer 2. After attempting your complete paper, up till now you have to open the Google Classroom only to read the question, nothing else you have to do. You can do this with your phone also, you can do this with your laptop also. As most of the students are using phones, so I am making this video using the phone app of Google Classroom. After writing your paper on the sheet of paper, what you have to do is come at the back end like this, your work, and then click on your work. Okay, see, I have already submitted 2 things, so I am clicking on unsubmit. You don't have to click on unsubmit. Okay, you will not get this option initially. Then what will happen, I am removing the attachments which I have already made. Yes, so skip this part. You will click on your work. After clicking on your work, what will you see? You will see add attachment. Click on add attachment. What you have to do now, the easiest way I am telling you, which every one of you can do, is click on take photo. After clicking on take photo, take the photograph of your work which you have done. For example, I have written this thing. Let me take the photograph a clear way. Yes. So take the photograph, and after taking the photograph, on your screen you will see an OK button. Click on OK button. If there are more than 1 pages of the photograph, then you can take another photograph, and depending upon the speed of your internet, your photograph would be uploaded into the Google Classroom. Now if you have written more than 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, then you have to take 3-4 photographs. That's all. After taking all these photographs would be added to your Google Classroom. See on my screen, after some time you will see that this first photograph has been added. Similarly, your first photograph would be added, then you can add the second photograph, third photograph, and number of pages you can add. After completely adding it, you have to click on this button, hand in, and then you will see a message submit. For my message it is coming resubmit because I am submitting it again, and after submitting it you will see a message unsubmit. If your teacher has allowed you to submit it within 2 hours, then for 2 hours this unsubmit button would be active. After that this unsubmit button will go away. So try to complete it within the time which has been given to you. Now I am explaining the whole process again. Go to Google Classroom, click on your class of whose sessional you have to give, click on assignments. You will see the questions. After reading the questions, just write down the answers on the pieces of paper, and after that click on your work, add attachment, and on add attachment just take photographs and submit it. After submitting, you see your paper has already been allotted. So that's all. It is a very easy method. In case you find any difficulty in doing this, you can contact your coordinators and things would be done very easily. So that's all. Thank you and wishing you a very best of luck for your examinations. Thank you.